Hey y'all, we back at it again with another video. And yes, you read the title right. Monogram. We gonna put monogram on the shirt. I'm gonna show y'all how I customize it. You can put monogram on anything. You can put it on bags, hair ribbons, or whatever. But right now, I'm showing y'all how I customize this shirt. So what I just did just now, I just took the grid off because that just, for some projects, it can get aggravating. So I use circles for my diagram for the monogram, so it could, I don't know, I mean, you could use squares, you could use rectangles, whatever you want to use, you can use, but this particular one, I use circles. Now, I just played around with the letters and the fonts and everything. The girl, she wanted, her initials is JYS, so I just played around with it. You know, S is her, is the initial of her last name, so you know they have to go in the middle. So I really didn't like the fonts that the Cricut had or my computer had, so I'll show y'all a little bit later on. I'm getting ahead of myself what I did, but right now I'm still playing around with it, trying to find what I like. And right here I'm going to cartridges, and I'm typing in monogram, because you know the Cricut has monogram cartridges you can purchase for like 99 cents a letter or whatever. So I said, let me just go ahead and look and see what they have. If they have something that's worth buying, yeah, I'll go ahead and I eat them coins. I'll go ahead and I buy it. But you know, it's just nothing didn't jump out for me. But I just went ahead and I scrolled through it just to see what they had. And with the Cricut, I like the fact that they give you the template for the background for your monogram. So that's a really cute thing. Even though you got to pay for it, it's a really cute thing though. It's cute. It's cute. So I went ahead and I picked these. Like I said, it ain't. It's nothing. I wasn't feeling it. And that J looked like a T to me. I don't know. Maybe it is a T, but I didn't see nothing else that looked similar to a J, so I just figured, hey, maybe this is a J, but it don't matter because I ain't choosing no way. So I went to this website. I'm gonna list it down below. Is the font. And I found the monogram font, yes I did, and I downloaded it to my computer, because these fonts is not monogram, it's not what's up, and it's always another way around it. Let me tell you, another way around it. So I was looking for, because I pressed download, so this is me going in here looking for the font that I downloaded. Couldn't find it. Just scrolling through, couldn't find it. So I went back to the website and I reinstalled it again. But what I ended up doing, I had to restart my computer altogether. But this is me going to my downloads folder, and I have a MacBook Pro. So I went down to my downloads folder and I saw it. There it is. But like I said, I ended up restarting my computer, and then when I put everything back up, it was in there. But you'll see. I was like, child, I'm not finding this on here, so let me just restart it. Maybe I have to restart the computer. And that's what I ended up doing, restarting the computer. See, still no font. Nothing. Ain't nothing there. Girl, stop looking. It's not there. Just stop. There you go. Okay, so I uploaded it. I went ahead and I put it in there. And don't that look better? Girl, delete them things because they look trash compared to that. So yeah, there you go. Right there. So cute. So the girl who wanted me to do her shirt, she wanted an anchor. So I went in, typed in anchor. What Cricut? We gotta do better. We got to do better than this. Oh, girl. Google is your best friend. Y'all know that Google is your best friend. It's sad, but how much we rely on Google, and Google pulls through all the time. So I typed in anchor, and I went down. I scrolled down, and I found the one I liked, and I uploaded it. There it is, right there. Complex. I guess I could have went to simple image, but it didn't matter. So I saved it as a cut image. Rotated it, and I unlocked it so I can size it how I want it to. And push that out the way because I'm about to slice this. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to get the square, so I went to shapes and I got the square, and I sized it right so I could slice it. Now what I could have done, because we're trying to make the anchor into 2 different pieces, so what I could have done, I could have just sliced the whole entire bottom, and then it would have been 2 separate pieces instead of just one, because it's still one image. You see, it's still together. So when I move it, it moves together, and we need it to be 2 separate. And see, I could have just did this from a jump, but I know. Now I know, but just to let y'all know, just putting it out there. See, now it's 2, and that's how we needed it to be. But girl, it's still good. It's all good. So she wanted her initials to be in the middle, and it's cute, girl. It's cute. It's real cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and size it so it could be the right size, because that's too long. We need it to be the right size. So I went to select all. Unlock it so we can get it together. Let me tell y'all, when I be recording these videos, my baby be asleep. So if it sound like I'm whispering, that's why. Y'all know I have a 1-year-old, and I be trying to be quiet so I won't wake him up. So I got it together, and I did it this color because I'm gonna do gold glitter. It's like a goldish greenish. It has hints of green as well because it's on a green shirt, and I was like, that'll be cute. So when you do glitter, I turn the dial to cardstock. Just to put that out there, because if you do vinyl, it's not gonna cut through, girl. You're gonna just be wasting your time. All that other stuff y'all see is something else I was doing. It's so cute. It's so cute. I want one now. I might make me a shirt with my initials, but I don't want to be walking around, because she worked with me. I'll be walking around and she got the shirt on and I got the shirt on. I don't want to do that. And there it is. So pretty, so cute. And you know, it wasn't even hard to do. It was so simple. Once you get the hang of it, I mean, hey, it's nothing. So I'm gonna insert some clips. Here it is. So thank y'all for watching another video. This was a short one, short but cute and sweet. Got straight to the point. I'll try to put everything in the description box down below. If y'all have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Y'all know I respond. So thank you again for watching another video. I'll see y'all later. Bye.